Hello guys, welcome to our channel Gadget Pro. Imagine slipping into a world where noise simply disperses. Whether you're on a crowded subway or working from noisy cafe, the Sony WH-1000XM5 promises pure and intense repeated sound. But it is really worth it? Let's break it down. So let's go. First up the design. Sleek, lightweight and modern for all the wear. Sony Digital Oval hangs for a seamless, modern look, and the best part, these memory foam ear caps feel like a pillow on your ears. Perfect for long listening sessions. Now let's talk about the real game changer, noise cancellation. Sony's upgraded noise cancelling processor gives out more background noise than you were before. Plain engine GT covers city traffic gone. It's just you and your music. Sound quality absolutely next level. The custom designed a 30 mm drive and deliver crystal clear audio with deep bass and rich minds. And with LDAC support, you get near lossless quality like hearing music straight from the studio. Worry about battery life? Don't be. You get up to 30 hours of a playback on a single charge. And if you are in a rush, a quick 3-minute charge gives you 3 hours of listening. Fast, reliable and perfect for on-the-go lifestyles. Sony packed this with smart features to adapt to sound controls adjust based on your environment. Speak to chat passes your music when you start taking. And yes, they work seamlessly with Alexa and Google Assistant, hands-free, effortless. So is the Sony WH-1000XM5 worth it? If you want the best in-class noise cancellation premium sound all day comfort, this might just be the perfect upgrade. But what do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, and if you want more guys reviews, to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more on these videos.